Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to turn your directory into a valuable information tool. With our directory feature, all your contacts can be neatly organized by contact type, such as leads, customers, contractors, employees, vendors, and other miscellaneous contacts. Not only does our directory store contact information, it also shows a running list of associated transactions and documents and certifications of insurance and trainings. It's all there. Additionally, built into our directory are several very useful features that allow your directory to be a convenient management tool, not just a depository for information. Our time off request feature lets you streamline your employee time off requests. Take the pressure off HR or management. Your employees can request time off, and then your request gets sent to management for approval or denial. Once approved, the day off is added to the calendar, and the employee is notified. This prevents booking someone for a job when they are scheduled to be off. Have you ever wished you had an easy-to-use customer relationship management system? Our CRM is designed to be an easy-to-use system for you. Keep your customers in one place, track and retrieve data with ease. Data is just data. Information is what helps you grow. Our customer screens are loaded with information to help you turn data into business success. Instantly and easily see invoices, project status, etc. Use our simple lead capture form on your website, and then our lead management tool can help you track sales, pipelines, funnels, easily create estimates, task reminders, and a whole lot more. We help you manage your leads and ensure that you are getting the attention they need to become a customer. The Contractor Foreman directory also tracks your training certifications and provides automatic notification of renewals due for your subs and trade contractors' insurance certificates and their licenses. Our custom fields feature allows you to add custom fields for each contact type to store information that is unique to your company. Build out the data tracking you want and report on it all. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to turn your directory into a valuable information tool.